Hi there, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this apartment law awareness series, I'm going to inform you about the penalties or the offenses under section 25 of the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act, which is applicable against a builder if the builder sells off the common land or any common area or facility in a group housing project. So this section says actually lays down that if in case the promoter has sold off any common area or facility which was originally shown as a common area or facility to the apartment owners at the time of selling off the project or the apartments in the project, then the apartment owner association has a right to prosecute such builder under section 25 of the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act. The procedure that has to be followed is that the apartment owner association through general body meeting will resolve that certain common area or facility of the project has been sold by the builder to some third party, and once the resolution is passed, in the resolution it will be sought that prosecution must be done under section 25. So once the resolution will be passed, such resolution will be required to be submitted before the competent authority. The competent authority will check the veracity of such claim of the apartment owner association by confirming it through its documents that whether the claim that the apartment owner association is making with respect to the area sold by the builder to be a common area. And once such confirmation is done by the competent authority, it will give an letter of approval to the apartment owner association that yes, the area which has been sold by the builder, it is a common area and you are free to prosecute the builder under section 25. Once that approval is granted, then a complaint case is filed before the jurisdictional magistrate, and if in case it is found that the builder has sold the common areas and facilities, the magistrate has the power to punish the directors of such builder by imprisonment of up to 6 years. This is all with respect to penalty and offenses against the builder under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with me during this video.